Who doesn't want to make money, and who exactly doesn't want to make money easily? I'm sure all of us want to be independent and would love to make some more money. With just a few clicks, you could earn a lot of money, and trust me, it works. I know there's more than 300 people willing to give money online, but after researching on almost all of these, we found that most of these might not be legit. So we brought together some of the easiest, fastest, and legit websites that could make your life take a complete turn financially. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the top finance channel EarnPal. Today's video holds quite important, since we're gonna be talking about some big money earning. We'll talk about earning online money, talking about the site where you could almost nothing and earn up to $1,200. That's quite insane, right? So without any further delay, let's dig right into it. So what is the question? What exactly is online earning and how do I go about doing it? It's basically the same as a job, but it's done over the internet. So all you need is a laptop or any other device that can connect to the internet and you'll be paid for doing it. There are a variety of ways to earn money online, and the truth is, there are legitimate ways to earn money online, and millions of individuals do so every day. There are many business ideas you may attempt at home utilizing a laptop and a reliable internet connection, from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs. How do I make $1,200? Well, to earn this much money with just a few clicks, we'll introduce you to Latium. If you're looking for a part-time job or some extra cash, Latium Freelancing is a great site to find many options. It will require some effort, but then the earning potential can also be quite great. What is Latium? Latium Freelancing is a microjob website that claims to allow users to earn money by performing little tasks. Now the question is, if Latium Freelancing is a scam or a legitimate option to supplement your income online. This is critical information to have before joining any website. So let me take care of this issue right away. No, it is not a ruse. It's a legitimate microjob site where you may make money by doing tasks. So what does it offer? If you're unfamiliar with the term, a microjob site is a type of website where employers advertise jobs that are typically one-time jobs for site users. The member will then only have to apply for the task, and if accepted, he or she will be required to finish it within the specified time frame. We must now analyze the income potential offered by Latium Freelancing in order to completely comprehend how it operates. This should also give you an indication of how much money you'll be able to make from it. How do I earn money from it? Following are some steps that you can take in order to earn from Latium. Option 1. Project. The main earning opportunity of this site is their project. When you log into their site, you can view all of the projects available in the For Freelancers section. To start working on a project, just click the one that you're interested in. Then you'll be taken to the project details page. You must first bid on a project before you can begin working on it. When you bid on a project, you must specify the amount that you wish to be paid, as well as the delivery date, the date that you can finish the project. When it comes to the date, it's also quite essential. You must ensure that the requirements are delivered within the deadline you specified, as failing to do so may jeopardize your credibility as a freelancer. And as a result, don't just enter any date that you like. Option 2. Participate in a referral scheme. You may also make money on Latium Freelancing by inviting others to join the site. You only need to provide the invite link to the person that you wish to invite. When the individual registers after clicking the link, they will become your referral. They will become your referral regardless of whether they sign up as a freelancer or an employer. On the Latium exchange, you will receive 50% of the exchange fees paid by your referrer. You'll also get a quarter of any project fees, 10% of any new subscriptions and renewals, and 10% of any verifications. In my opinion, the commission rate you receive is quite reasonable. It's a good way to make money, especially if you can acquire employer referrals. What method do you use to get paid? This is when Latium Freelancing gets a bit tricky. You'll be paid in either cryptocurrency or US cash after you complete a job. It will largely depend on the employer as to how much you will be paid. The payment will be visible on the project details page. So when you finish a project, you'll know how much you're getting paid. However, you must pay a project fee to Latium Freelancing for each project you finish that pays you. The amount you must pay will be determined by the type of account that you have. Free, verified, and pro accounts are the 3 types of accounts available. Why Latium Freelancing? There will also be a large number of smaller jobs that are quicker to complete but pay less. Every project's pay is, in my opinion, quite reasonable actually. Some employers have a more substantial budget than others. It's your duty to discern which is which. The beautiful thing about their approach is that you get to decide how much money you make. Of course, it must still be within the company's budget. Is it possible to utilize it on a mobile device? Well, although Latium Freelancing does not have a mobile app, you can use the mobile web browser to visit the website from any mobile device. Their website is mobile friendly, so you can quickly navigate it and read the content without having to zoom in. This will allow you to bid on tasks whenever it's convenient for you, even if you're not in front of a computer. However, the majority of the work that needs to be done will necessitate that you use a laptop or a desktop computer. Everything has its pros and cons. So the pros are, it offers payment via PayPal and cryptos. It has decent rewards offered. It's available globally. And the cons are, there is a high withdrawal fee for PayPal. Most projects take a significant amount of time to finish, and you will have to share your earnings with Latium. If you're looking for a part-time job or a way to supplement your income, Latium Freelancing is a wonderful place to start. However, if your goal is to earn some extra cash by completing tasks that need no effort, then this is not quite the best solution. The site pays well, but you'll need to put in a lot of time to complete the high-paying assignments, so go in with realistic expectations. As a result, I would only advocate joining the site if you have plenty of free time and are willing to take on more difficult tasks. However, if you're just searching for a quick way to make money in your leisure time, I'd recommend checking out the top survey and GPT sites in your nation. Earning money online may appear to be simple, but it does come with a number of pitfalls that you should not overlook. The internet is a fantastic resource, but it can also be hazardous. Be wary of squandering your time and effort on something you aren't convinced about. The internet is a terrific method to supplement your income, but like with any investment, there is always a chance of losing money. If you're smart enough and you do your homework, you can create a good livelihood using the internet as a medium. Don't register for any site that charges a fee to access paid internet surveys. Look for privacy statements and disclaimers and make sure to read them thoroughly. The more a website tries to convince you that it isn't a fraud, the more likely it is one. Scam.com and ripoffreport.com are good places to look for information about the company. Trust your instinct. If anything seems too good to be true, it most of the times is. And that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. What do you think about this earning method? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.